So hopefully the installation for Docker is super easy. And once you have Docker installed, go and start the Docker daemon. So say Docker, and here I've just started Docker, and you can see that Docker is actually starting. So if I click on this icon, you can see that Docker desktop is starting. So just give it a second, and you can see that this was super quick. And now it opens up the dashboard for me. Now within the dashboard, we have containers /apps, images. So these are the images that you can run your applications from, or containers, and then volumes. So this is where you can store data, meaning that if you stop or destroy your container, you can mount the container onto the same volume, which means that you will never lose data unless the volume is destroyed. And then you have dev environments that allows you to share environments with your team, which we don't need at this point. Cool. So we have Docker installed. Now let me open up the terminal. Nice. So within the terminal, let's together type docker -- and then version. And you can see that this gives me back a version. Now, if it gives you a version, that's fine. So you have Docker installed, and the version doesn't have to be the exact same as mine. It could be an older version or a newer version. So I haven't updated mine, but still everything should just work. Cool. Now what I want you to do is to type Docker and then run hello - and then world. And you should see that and able to find image. Hello world is going to pull the image, and now it did something. So let's have a look what happened. So if I scroll up, you can see that right here we have hello from Docker. This message shows that your installation appears to be working correctly. So if you've managed to do this, then well done. You've got Docker successfully installed. If you have any questions on this, please do let me know. Otherwise, next, let's go ahead and get the Postgres database up and running with Docker.